Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Bombay and Cedar box, so let's get into it and see what I've got. We have recently reintroduced Bombay and Cedar back to the channel. I did it back in the day and they reached out and asked if I would like to try it again, and I said absolutely. And I have to tell you, since I have been getting it again, it is quickly becoming one of my favorite boxes. I am always so tickled with the products that are in the box. They're fun, they're different, they're useful. I really like it. That's what the inside looks like. Okay. I have to tell you guys, I am stumped. I don't have paperwork, so I don't know if this was a monthly box or if they have sent me a mystery box. I will certainly check it out when I go downstairs, but I don't want to leave you now. So I'm letting you know here what they have sent me. Well, here's what I know sitting here right now. It is not their monthly box, because every month in their monthly box, you receive oils. And I didn't get oils. So this is not the monthly box. Let's just dig into the products. Right off the bat, we have a Youth Therapy Elbow High Gloves. I got, was it in a Bombay and Cedar? Last month I received these, but knee high in foot ones, and they were cooling. So I'm saving them for summer or maybe my Disney trip. But now we have the elbow high gloves, intensive collagen treatment. One pair of gloves, this is from Vesh too, and it says to rejuvenate and hydrate hands and arms up to the elbows. Maximum moisture, minimum effort. Next out, we have the Cryo Massage Gloves Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. These are boxed really nicely, and after I show them to you, I'm gonna put them back in their box because I have the, I think, Zoela ones of these. They are so nice. You can put them in the fridge and get them good and cold, and then you massage under your eyes. As soon as I get this box open, I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's taped. So these are from Almost Famous. I've had several of their products. Oh, it's a nice, this is a nice thick foam, I suspect to help them get to you without any damage or breakage. But what you can do is you can just take this whole thing. Oh, mine don't have the little place where you can hold them so your fingers don't get cold. That's awesome. It says Almost Famous, and see how it's got glitter on the inside? Isn't that cool? So you have two of these, and like I said, you just put them in the fridge and then you can do under your eyes with them. Other people take these and they go down or pull up on. There are videos, I'm sure, videos out there showing you how to use these. This is so cool. I love how incredibly well packed. I mean, this is all foamy stuff, hard foam, so that it can't get hurt. And then that has the same information on it, and it just sits on top. And the box is nice. I'm like a kid with this one. The packaging's almost as fun as the product. It's so pretty. Oh, well, this will go well with that. This is a Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum. Whenever you use anything that is kind of gua sha-like, you always want to put good moisture, or more importantly, a serum on your face, so that as you do it, you're never pulling or tugging on your skin. You want whatever device or tool you are using to gently glide across your skin. So this is what this looks like, and I will tell you, I will set it right with those orbs, and when I do a giveaway, I will do it as a package, so you will be sure and have a serum. It's about time for another giveaway. I did a couple not too long ago. So this says on the box that it is geranium flower oil, sea buckthorn, and neroli oil. It is a fine blend of ingredients full of nutrients, and the Dr. Botanicals are made in the UK. Next out, we have a Make 'em Jelly Total Gel-O. Oh, Gel-O. See, this is, and I couldn't make it work. Gel-O, but Gel-O. Petty Spa Set, and this is rosemary leaf oil. It includes a jelly spa bath, a melting mineral sugar scrub, a cream mask, and massage butter. It is PETA approved, no alcohol, no mineral, no phthalates, no phenoxyethanol. That's nice. That is what that looks like. And it says it is 5 steps. So this just tells you, you get the 5 pouches, and it tells you, step 1, take a nice spa bath. Step 2, melting minerals. Step 3, scrub it up. Step 4, you put a nice mask on. And then step 5, you put a nice cream on, and you're probably left with the softest little tootsies in town. And last out of this box, we have, what do we have? Maybe Cosmetics, Take Me to Istanbul. I have Take Me to Paris and Take Me to Tokyo. I think those are the two I have that I got in my Goldie Boxed. Just had those in the Goldie Box and I ended up with both of them. And now we have Take Me to Istanbul. They have such, or at least the other two, I won't speak on this one yet because we're not sure. They have the best pigmentation. I was so super impressed. When you take it out, it looks exactly the same. Oh my gosh, these colors are fantastic. I have to tell you, when it said Istanbul, and then judging from this, I thought it was going to be a real neutral palette, but they've put some pop of color in here. The top is a mirror. Look at the oops. It had two of those covers on it. Look at the colors on that. So you have neutral, but you have these two pops of purple. Oh, this is kind of copper. Let's go ahead and swatch them. We haven't done a full swatching in a while. So the top is Turkish Coffee, and it is a matte. Foreign Exchange. Oh, and it feels like it's going to be a gorgeous shimmer. And what does that say? Spice Market. Those are what that looks like. Oh yeah. The pigment in these Mavy palettes, it's just beautiful. I highly recommend. Gorgeous palettes. And then on the second row we have, this is called Blue Mosque, and I don't think there's a chance I get it to come across because it looks, even to me, even almost in person, just like an icy white. But it's just got the ever lightest tint of baby blue to it. It's gorgeous. This one is Balat, and this one is the Harem. I can't wait. Oh, it's kind of a purpley blue. When you put it on, it comes across more purple. Oh yeah. I am here to tell you, how gorgeous are those colors? So pretty. All right, and our final row, we have Hot Air Balloon, also a shimmer. Grand Bazaar, that's that purple shimmery. It's oh yeah, it's gorgeous. I just want to keep going in it. And then Baklava. That is what those look like. So they're real neutral. I'm gonna try and put these right above. They're real neutral earthy tones until you get into those pops of purple color. And that's the three that I just showed you. That is a really wearable palette. The pigmentation is fantastic. I mean, how gorgeous are these two purples, the icy white? So pretty. That is the Mavy Take Me to Istanbul palette. So pretty. So in this box of mystery, we received the Mavy palette, the Dr. Botanicals Serum, the Vesh elbow mask to make our hands all the way up to our elbows look fantastic, the Avery Beauty, gonna do the same thing for your feet, and the Almost Famous globes, Cryo globes. And it's a really great box. I wish I wasn't sitting here not knowing what it was. It is kind of fun though to open a complete mystery, and I have in theory told you guys what it was. Thank you so much for being here today, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over. If you would like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I hope I see you again really soon. Thanks for coming by, guys.